Hi guys, hope you're doing well. My name is Siddharth.
Hi, I'm Madeline. Today I'm learning Kazoo with Siddharth.
I have this older version. I use this all the time. The older the Kazoo gets, the sound gets better. That's what I believe. This is the newer version. The same thing applies for this. Once it will get older, it will start sounding better or it will improve. First of all, we'll ask Madeline to play any tune of your choice and see how it sounds. Play any tune.
Okay.
What you did was kind of like that, but if you simply place it on your lip, like that, it's still like that, kind of like that. Place the kazoo in a downward motion, like a downward motion, in a downward position, like this. It sounds more bassy. This will be like this, and then it's kind of like playing flute, like how the other flute, where you do this like that. The same thing, you have to do this, but obviously you're humming into it and not blowing into it. It sounds much bassier. Now,
Okay, sorry.
yeah. You never stop. Okay. Let me show you the difference. You will not play it. In between the downward positioned kazoo and the upward. So the trick is the same way. It gets bassier, but when you do this, and by bassier I mean everybody has their own sound. If your bass, if your voice doesn't have any bass, it won't have a bassier tone. But what I'm talking about is the roundness of the kazoo. This sounds a little harsh, but if that's what you prefer, play it like this. Okay, I'm not saying downward position is the right way to do it, but if you prefer the more bassier or rounder tone, kind of like a cut-off thing, the high frequencies are being cut down if you do this. I prefer that. I hope I was able to explain it to some extent.
Somewhat.
Yeah, so this is the difference. There's a slight difference. It's not like wow, huge difference, but there is a difference. So if you place it like this, it's comfortable, as well as it's I think it's the right way to do it.
How do I create a bassy sound? My voice is not bassy.
So if your voice is not bassy, you can't, but you can at least replicate a fuller tone with the downward position.
Okay.
You can try. I've already seen the difference. You try with the upward position first and then play the same thing downwards and you'll find the difference.
Okay. No. Is it?
Yeah, but play a tune. Don't make a sound of a cow.
Okay. I'm so horrible.
Stop.
Kya?
I asked you to do the upward position first and then the downward position.
Okay,
What
fine.
you have done is chose the middle ground. So you are not listening to me.
Okay, so sorry.
Okay. So you're still doing that. अरे इसमें lipstick लगा दिया तुमने. Why? It should simply touch it, like how you smile.
And okay.
See, and simply touching it. And simply touching it.
Okay.
And not covering it.
Okay, so
and you're still, I know the newer model is a little bit slimmer, so it will be covered, but you can still simply place it. Okay, try it.
Okay.
Much better, much better. Perfect. And now play it in the downward position.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. I find it difficult.
Yeah. All you have to do is now you can put the upper lip on top of the top part. That's correct.
No, it doesn't happen. Do. Error. No, it's really horrible.
Why do you look at me like that? I've discussed the do method. Now what is that? The first thing will be to, as in you have to sing in two sound. Into the kazoo. Let's assume there's a beat of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you have to practice. Once you practice, you can apply the same thing in the song. It's not strictly a rule that you have. The first one should be 2 and the other one should be 2. You can switch things around and have fun. Now, what you have to work on is sustain. Now, what is sustain? We don't have a sustain in our voice, but we can mimic that. Now, how you can practice is by starting with the lower volume and then gradually increase it. Before I no, let me complete it first and then try it. Okay, start with the lower volume and then come down. Yes. So you start with the lower volume.
Sounds more like a mosquito, yeah.
Okay, this is just for the practice. Once you get a hang of this, you don't have to do it every time, but only when it suits the music.
Oh, sorry.
No. So you directly started from the loud voice. So the thing is, what you are doing is you're on the same volume but just moving your jaw like this. What you have to do is start with the lower volume.
Okay.
Kind of like that. It's still the same volume. No, it's still the same volume.
Okay.
Start with the lower volume. Yeah, you're doing good now. It's somewhat, you're doing it right. Right now you're on the right track.
Okay.
What you need to practice now is Saregamapa. Let me complete it first and then you do it.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sorry.
Delicately place it on your lips.
I am a difficult student.
Start as if I can barely hear you, lower volume, and then increase the sound of, oh, I can hear it now. Oh, where is it gone now?
I have zero knowledge of music. Zero knowledge of music.
Why? So that's it for today, guys. Madeline has been a complete failure. So hope this video has been helpful. Maybe maybe not. But if you want actual help, I'll come alone in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.